Woo! Hey everyone, this is Gerald from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. What is going on? Breaking news, Donald Trump just crashed Dogecoin and Donald Trump just crashed the rest of crypto. So Donald Trump came out and said this about something, and this something caused the broader markets, caused oil to shoot up, and ultimately caused Dogecoin to dump ski out there, guys. So let's dive in. Don't forget to watch this video to the end. Remember, all this is financial advice, and don't forget to smash one more money if you love the Doge. The Doge, you're out there, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. Yeah, last night the OG couldn't sleep very good. I was up to like 2 o'clock. Woke up early. Crazy out there. Yeah, go back and watch this video. We did talk about the Doge 1 confirmed, probably like in September. So that's pretty good news, but let's dive into what is going on out there. Woo, it's a great time to be alive, and you guys can see that crypto across the board is down, down. That's like poo-poo schmatterville. We did see that gold is down. We are seeing that Oil is going insane in the membrane, and that's because Donald Trump said something about Iran, and we're going to dive into that and look at the mitigating circumstances, or mitigating misery, if you want to kind of like call it like that. But it's just the shenanigans of Donald Trump out there. So overall, we're seeing the crypto markets at time of recording is down. Bitcoin is down 3.21%. That's at 66,568. Yeah. Sometimes I'm going to be pausing. Gives the algorithm kind of time to catch up. Out there, we're seeing Ethereum is also down. XRP taking a big dump as well, down 3.27%. Look at Solana, down 5%. Now let's take a look at what's going on with the Doge. My Doge, your Doge out there. Doge right now is down also 3%. So it's kind of in line. It's kind of in line with the dumpage for crypto out there, and I think this dump is going to be short-lived. I think ultimately by the end of the week it will pop back up, unless we get some more bad news, right? So far, as you guys can see, weekly dumpage for Bitcoin down 4.8%, Ethereum as well, everything is down, down. Dogecoin for the week is minus 2%. So it's actually faring better than Solana. Solana again, whackety whack on the head out there. Let's take a look at what's going on with market cap and give this a minty refresh. Don't forget to smash the likes. Dogecoin 111, and lick the likes, guys. Lick the likes. It's very simple. You take this. If you're using a phone, you take this on your phone, and you just kind of like click like. If you're using your computer, use your mouse. But guys, did you know that 70% of people watching YouTube use mobile phones? That's cool, right? Cool. So yeah, get your phone and like, and share. Share. So right now we are seeing that the total market cap is down 2.7%. Fear and greed right now is at 28, and that's for the whole crypto market. Overall, we're seeing is, like I just said, on the crypto bubbles, everything is down. So what's going on? Just in Bitcoin falls under 67,000. Let's just quick recap. What's Bitcoin right now? 66. Okay, so yeah, so Bitcoin just falls 67,000 after President Trump. That's why I said, breaking news. President Trump just crashed Dogecoin. Breaking news. President Trump. The Debbie Downer just crashed Dogecoin into crypto. So President Trump says he will finish the job in the conflict against who, these people here. Okay, so he says he's going to finish it, and then we saw bang. As soon as he opened his trap, we did see crypto jump. It dumped and went down. And then the entire market was expecting President Trump's address to the nation. This oil price, as soon as he opened his trap, once again, oil shot up, went crazy, and you guys can see that oil went up like almost $7, right? Wow, like 6.87%, almost 7%. Like, bang, pa. So you can see how markets can be moved by one person. So Okay, so basically the entire market was expecting President Trump's address to the nation to be de-escalating. In case you don't know what that means, everyone was expecting, the markets are expecting, the pundits are expecting that he would say something positive and, calm the markets. But instead, he said, the conflict, I don't like this word, will continue until late April. So, and then he threatened more strikes against these people, power plants, and he said that Iran will be sent back to the Stone Age. Okay, yeah, the rhetoric. Okay, so on the good news, let's talk about Doge. Good news is big, massive Doge withdrawals from exchanges. That is good. Earlier today, a whale reported a staggering 900 million Doge withdrawn from Bithumb official exchange. The withdrawal took place across 3 transactions in a space of like 30 minutes. So that is good. That's extremely bullish because when people move, get out of there. Get out of there. When people move money from an exchange to a hardware wallet or a self-custody wallet out there, that's good news. It means that they're going to hodl, they're not going to sell. So, remember hardware wallets, we have the hardware wallets like Tracer out there, a Ledger. Those are really safe. And now we have like software wallets like Exodus, which I also use. Remember, if you don't have the keys, you don't own the crypto. Remember, anything that's on exchanges, read the fine print, the little fine print. You don't like the fine print because remember, it does say that if exchanges go bankrupt or someone hacks and steals your money, that they are not responsible to pay you back. So the crypto clarity deal. Also, we got the crypto clarity act is coming, so that's pretty positive. So they talk about this. This is very good for crypto. So hopefully, this will not be foreshadowed or overshadowed by Donald Trump's. Donald Trump crashed Dogecoin. Breaking news: Donald Trump crashed Dogecoin. Just like saying it twice for effect. Don't forget, did you lick the likes? So let's listen to what Fox
Scott, who of course introduced the Clarity Act, I think believed, and many did, that we were going to have a resolution of this in the fall of 2025. It has gone on much longer, this argument, than many believed. But talk about that 48-hour time frame. Do you really believe that we're going to have resolution in 48 hours after all of this?
I'm very confident we're going to see progress. And the reason for that is we need to finish the job. It's true. The Genius Act passed last year was a watershed moment for crypto and for the crypto economy. For the first time, we had sensible rules in place that govern this important part of crypto. However, it's important that we provide a full market structure into which the crypto legislation from last year can fit. And that's what Clarity fundamentally provides. I do think that it's important that we finish the job, in particular on deciding which tokens, which crypto projects really should fall to the jurisdiction of the SEC on the one hand, and which really are better served by oversight over at the CFTC. I think Chairman Scott deserves a lot of credit. He has certainly been persistent, even patient, as we've worked through a lot of these issues. I think that with all the progress that we made over the last several months, it's exciting to see that we're moving towards a markup hearing in the Senate Banking Committee, hopefully as soon as in the next.
That's kind of boring, but the takeaway from that is we're going to get clarity for the Clarity Act for crypto. It's going to happen. It's been kind of like slow walking for like a year, and we've already seen that the commodities, the SEC and this and that have determined that a lot of crypto is not a security. I remember when we had Gensler, Gary Gensler. He just did not like crypto, and he tried to make everyone's life difficult. But he's out of there, so that's good for crypto, right? Good. Gary. So good news. SpaceX files for IPO at 1.75 trillion. Did you know that Elon Musk could be the first trillionaire? Ding. SpaceX has officially filed targeting what could be one of the largest IPOs in history, with estimates of 50 to 75 billion raised. This isn't just a space company, it's satellites, Starlink, defense, now AI infrastructure driving valuation. From rockets to global internet to data infrastructure. So this is good, guys. This is very good. We're going to see, and I think, you know, once all this is done, I think Elon Musk is going to have some more free time to be focusing on the Doge. Don't forget Doge. We got X payments coming. That I believe deep down is going to, involve the Doge. So here we go. Yes, Doge will launch hard when this spark comes. You know, right now we're seeing on a higher time frame cluster. You know, major higher time frame cluster is very likely going to hold. So I think this is going to hold, definitely going to hold. And if that happens, the 2-week RSI and the WTO both at an interesting level. So we can see here, we've hit these bottoms here, and every time we hit the bottom, we have a nice pump, right? This is like a head and shoulders here. I think that we formed a bottom. We're going to definitely be going up, guys. It looks like we're primed to have a mini rally out there. So Doge on the monthly is forming a bullish pennant on the monthly. And you know, and I think what are the odds of this playing out? I think it's highly likely that it's going to play out because we've got all this activity. We've got the Qubic mining. We've got the possibility of X payments. Possibility. Okay, I'm not confirming because I don't want people like attack me online because people get crazy. Okay, I'm not confirming. I'm suggesting that there's a higher degree or high probability that it's likely. Okay, nothing has been confirmed. We need to wait and see out there. So if we take a look at the Doge on the daily right now, we are seeing that we've had this tightening triangle here. Let me just make it a little bit more clear. We had this like tightening triangle here, tightening. And I think we're going to break up. I think so. And if that does, will put us to the next resistance, which is around 10 cents area to 10.41 technically. But you can still see that we're holding this support level, this 9-cent support level. It's holding, guys. And we've been kind of holding the support level since around about February 7th, 2026. So we're holding it. So that's good news out there. Right now, Doge is down, as I said. Let me give this a minute refresh. Don't forget to smash like, lick the likes, licky the likes, and don't forget to share this video with everybody. Breaking news: Donald Trump crashed Dogecoin. That's what we're talking about. And not only Dogecoin, but Donald Trump also crashed all the other cryptos because he made one freaky deaky comment that sent all the markets into a tailspin. Okay, overreaction, panic mode. Okay, that's what's going on. The markets are like a 2-year-old that don't get a cookie, right? Cookie. So that's what's going on. Fear and greed right now for Biddy, my Biddy is at 12. It's a good time to pick up. I think we're going to see Bitcoin bang. Okay. So we're seeing that on the 3-day, we're seeing on the 3-day chart that there's a death cross confirmed. Okay, in 2022 when we had this death cross, things went down and we exploded. Right, price dropped sharply, the death cross got confirmed, and price dropped further. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. I don't know about that comment. What do you guys think? If we see this death cross, you think that Bitcoin's going to dump even further? Further? I don't know. Let's see. I don't think it's like that. I'm not thinking. So we got lots of Dogeiness happening. So if we take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is, it's not looking good because once again, Donald Trump crashed Dogecoin and it ain't looking good. So overall, that's kind of like all I got. We got liquidations right now, about $348 million. I mean, just $353 million, mainly shorts. But we can see that the difference between shorts and mainly longs, difference between mainly longs and shorts is closing. So we might see a liquidity grab. And if you take a look at what's going on right now for Bitcoin, we're seeing that Q2 is not looking good, and April also not looking good. So 2026, well, actually since October to February, Bitcoin really sucked. Crypto kind of sucked. And March was a little bit of a relief rally, but, you know, Donald Trump, you know, made a mess again. So, guys, yeah, not much to say, except I love you guys, and I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. Peace out!